Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Synthesia video generation problems and get your project working properly again. First, check the project and make sure your script, scenes, avatar, voice, and media elements are set up correctly. Sometimes a problem can be caused by an issue within a specific scene or piece of content. Start by reviewing the script. Look for unusual characters, formatting issues, very long sections, or words that may cause pronunciation or processing problems. If necessary, simplify the script and try generating the video again. Next, check your AI avatar and voice settings. Make sure the selected avatar and voice are available for your project and that there are no errors shown in the editor. Now review the images, videos, and other media you have added. If a particular file is causing a problem, remove it temporarily and try generating the video again. You should also check your internet connection. Video generation requires a stable connection, so make sure your browser is connected properly before starting the process. If the generation appears stuck, wait a little while and check the project status again. Avoid repeatedly starting new generations if the previous request is still processing. Next, refresh the Synthesia page and reopen your project. Sometimes a temporary browser or session issue can prevent the project from working correctly. You can also try opening Synthesia in another supported browser or using a private browsing window. This can help determine whether browser extensions or cached data are causing the problem. If the problem continues, check whether Synthesia is experiencing a temporary service issue.